Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here. What I have today is a Hunter Right at Home. It was actually picked up by Brandon C. Johnson, and I'm going to transport it out to John Reed on my way to Fanimation next week, or on the way back, depending on what we can arrange. But I actually like these fans. I didn't at first back in the 90s when they came out, but they're starting to grow on me just because I like different colors. It's unusual to see a green fan. So, yeah, you've got, this one has the 4 spotlight kit. And it starts off and fast. Medium. Low setting. And off. Yeah, I believe actually Brandon C. Johnson picked these. Excuse me, picked 2 of these up for. I think Eman Fan actually has one. I seem to recall him doing a floor test of one, and this one here, and that's like I said, going out to Rock and Reed, and yeah, there actually moves quite a bit of air. It reminds me of the Infinity a little bit. You know, it's got all the attributes of a 90s Hunter. Just the screws are the same, the nose, the blades. You know, and you have to take the nose off to get the blades on and off. So, yeah, there's, you know, this has different shaped vents and different shaped motor housing and whatnot. But, you know, you can tell it's from the same era of Hunter fans. And please do like this video. You know, subscribe to my page if you would, please. It's called The Fan Cave, and I also have a Facebook page of the same name, so feel free to check that out. Hope to see you guys next week at Fanimation. Thanks for watching as always. Good night and good luck.